Our top 5 best digital drawing tablets. 1 Number product. Wacom Digital Drawing Tablet. The Cintiq 16 drawing tablet is a fan favorite among budding artists and more experienced creators alike thanks to its ease of use and features like a built-in anti-glare film on the screen and 2 size options, depending on whether you want a sizable display, 21.5 inches, or something more compact, 15.6 inches. The HD display provides clarity and a detailed picture as you work, and the XPPen 2 has virtually no lag, make your strokes appear on screen exactly as you intended. 2 Number product. Wacom Digital Graphic Drawing Tablet. Wacom touts the Intuos Pro as the professional standard. This model is available in 3 sizes, S, M, and L, each with built-in Bluetooth connectivity. The small tablet comes with 6 built-in hotkeys, dubbed Express keys by Wacom, and the medium and large models each feature 8 hotkeys. The XPPen 2 boasts an impressive 8,192 pressure sensitivity levels. 3 Number product. XPPen Graphics Drawing Tablet. This drawing tablet features an 11.6-inch display and, depending on what type of computer you have, it doesn't require an adapter to plug into it. The tablet comes with a 3-inch -1 USB cable. The Artist 12 Pro also has a built-in dial and hotkeys for a customizable experience while in use. There is almost zero parallax, so you can see exactly where the cursor is and draw with precision. 4 Number product. XPPen Deco Mini 7 Graphics Tablet. The Deco Mini 7 comes with a USB-C adapter to let you work across various digital platforms, including Chromebooks and even your phone. This drawing tablet also offers 8 hotkeys, impressive for a smaller model, and is super portable, weighing in at just over half a pound. The accompanying pen offers 60 degrees of tilt support to help you bring your art to life with a mix of soft and sharp lines as needed. 5 Number product. Wacom Intuos Graphics Drawing Tablet. Wacom's Intuos Drawing Tablet comes in 3 models, Intuos S, Intuos S with Bluetooth connectivity, and Intuos M with Bluetooth connectivity. All 3 models come with the option to download up to 3 software packages, and each tablet features 4 hotkeys for optimized customization. The accompanying pen also has interchangeable flexible and felt tips stored inside the body of the pen to suit your unique drawing style. Thanks for watching this video.